Hi, I'm Josh, and today I'm going to show you how to make my traditional Bright Red Tikka Masala. If you're looking for my colour-free version, the link is popping up now. Before I start, please take a second to like and subscribe. Thank you. Let's start by creating the tikka paste. The amount here will be about 8 portions. This recipe scales perfectly, so you can simply make as much as you like. I use Patak's pastes, but you can use whatever is available. You will need 500 milliliters of plain yoghurt, 2 teaspoons of tandoori paste, 2 teaspoons of tikka paste, 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri paste, half a teaspoon of mint sauce, the juice of 1 lemon, half a teaspoon of red food colouring. I use Permicol, East End or TRS brand, which is what the restaurants use. You can also use beetroot powder, but the colour will be far less vibrant. Add the yoghurt to a bowl. Then add the tandoori paste, tikka paste, Kashmiri paste, mint sauce, and the lemon juice. Add the red food colouring and mix in well. Add more if required until you get the colour you require. The paste can be used straight away, refrigerated or frozen, ready for use at a later date. To make the tikka masala dish itself, you will need 3 tablespoons of oil, 1 teaspoon of tomato paste, half a teaspoon of fenugreek leaves or kasuri methi, 250 milliliters of curry base, 3 tablespoons of coconut powder, 2 tablespoons of ground almonds, 4 tablespoons of the masala paste you have just made, 1.5 tablespoons of sugar, 6 to 8 pieces of meat, veg or paneer, 75 milliliters of single cream, and half a teaspoon of red food colouring or colouring powder. Start by heating the pan on medium and add the oil, the tomato paste, and the fenugreek leaves. Stir them together gently, then fry for a minute to start releasing the flavours. Add the coconut powder, then the almond powder, and cook, stirring gently for 2 minutes. If it starts to look a little dry, add some of the heated up base gravy. Add the masala paste you have just made. Then the sugar and stir well. Finally, add the curry base, the red food colouring powder, the pre-cooked meat, paneer or veg, and then the cream. Stir thoroughly, then reduce on high heat until the sauce is the thickness you require, stirring occasionally and scraping in the sides. Stirring in the edges helps to incorporate the lovely caramelization that occurs at the edge of the pan during cooking. If you would like to see how I made and cooked my chicken tikka or my homemade tandoor for under £50, the links are popping up now. Please remember to like, comment and subscribe, and check out this and many more recipes on my website at thecurrykid.co.uk.